Hey guys, when I'm trying to install a new dependency to my pod file, here you can see CocoaPods could not find compatible version for this particular dependency. It could be any dependency in pod file and this is the one. But the thing is specs satisfying this particular dependency were found. That means it is found, but they required a higher minimum deployment target. How we can fix this? To fix this, in the terminal or Xcode, you have to open your pod file. I can say open -a Xcode pod file in the terminal. Then you have to mark and remember what the dependency that you want to add here, and then you have to comment other dependencies. You have to keep only the dependency which facing errors. Then here you can say hash. You have to comment other every dependency codes by this hashtag. Okay, now I will comment this one too. Now you have to save that. Then in the terminal you have to say pod update. Now you can see that particular dependency is installing. It is taking some time, but the thing is you have to follow that step. Alright, if you try again, you can see it will be installed quickly because those files were already downloaded. Now you have to go ahead and open your pod file again to uncomment those previous dependencies. Okay, now save that. Then in the terminal you have to say pod install. Here pod installation complete. There are 9 dependencies from pod file and 25 total pods installed. Alright, now if I hover into my project, open dot, we have finder. In pods folder you can see this my new dependency folder also added, but others are available too. Follow this step. If you found that error coming again, you have to comment other pods and you have to keep the dependency that's showing some error and then install that particular dependency by saying pod install or pod update. Then uncomment the commented dependency codes, then say pod install again in the terminal. Okay, I hope you could fix your issue, and if this helps, please subscribe to my YouTube channel because you will see more iOS tutorials in this channel. Thank you very much.